Look what I have over my shoulder. Hey. Hey, Facebook family, Tammy Goodwin here. Look what I have over my shoulder. Hey. That's right, I got a house that's coming. This house is in Lawrenceville. It's 2675 Wyndham Place Drive. It's going to be ready to show. So I am going to go in this beautiful baby today. It's almost totally empty. The house is gorgeous. We just had it painted in the inside. The sellers just had new flooring put in the kitchen. Not too long ago, we had they had the outside painted. They've had tons of windows replaced. So this house is ready. It has great bones. It's move-in ready, but there's also small little updates that are nice to have done if you want to. But if not, you can move in just the way it is. So I'm going to go into this beautiful home. So these are the neighbors. This is the neighborhood. I mean, this is across the street. They keep their yards beautiful. The road is nice and clean. Looks great down there. And here is this big house. Let's just pop on in. It's nice and cool in here, so the AC works really well. So this is the family room. Great space in the family room. And you see where the kitchen starts. So nice kitchen, nice open kitchen. So the yard is a very nice yard. Great patio in the back. Great patio. This house is excellent for entertaining. So I'm gonna go back this way. So we're gonna walk here, gonna walk back. The dining room and the living room are next to each other. And so I'm standing in the dining room looking toward the living room. So when I came in the front door, so now I'm back at the front door so I can give you guys a little sight. I'm at the front door. There's a coat closet when you come to the front door. And as you're looking at the front door, there's also another coat closet. So you have two coat closets at your front door. One to the left, one to the right. There are the stairs. I'm gonna pop up these stairs. 15 stairs. Nice leg workout. So we're gonna go to the left first. This is our first room. It's a very nice sized room. And here's another secondary bedroom. Bedroom number 3, which is bigger than the other two. Then you have the shared bath for the 3 bedrooms. Now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. So the master is on a separate side, which is great. It's a rectangle. It's nice and big. So this is the master bath. So now I'm going back down to the first floor. And then there is a 3rd floor on this baby. This is the 3rd floor. So we just came down the stairs. When I came down the stairs, I made a left. Then as you go through, there is another bedroom. There is an entertainment area, and there's a nice closet to the back right there, the shelving. There is another room. So technically, it's 2 bedrooms and an office. They're down here. So we got 2 full bedrooms. We have an office, and we have a full bath. And here's the full bath right here. So let's step out the back door and see what we got back here. So when we come out the back door, we are on the patio, which is very nice. So it's a really big patio. We're getting ready to pressure wash the patio today. They have a basketball goal out here. So if you guys want this beautiful house and you're interested, or you know somebody who would be interested and wants it, please DM me, or you can call 678-754-3239. Have a wonderful day.